Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I put together some really cute, easy home decor, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So we're going to start off by using this Dollar Tree sign. I'm just going to use the back of it. So I used my Cricut as well. Now I'm going to create some lines. I'm going to use my pencil and a ruler because I'm going to cut it in two pieces. And we're going to, like I said, we're going to make something really cute for your home. Very simple, very easy. And once I create the pencil lines, I'm going to use a box cutter and cut it in half. So now I'm just going to go ahead and use the box cutter and cut across where I made those pencil lines. Like I said, I'm going to cut two extra pieces. It didn't come out as great as I wanted it to come out, but I did the best I could. Now I'm going to go ahead and paint it with some very light green paint. And I only used one coat. Now I also use my Cricut, just going to place down the vinyl words. One's going to say eat and then laugh and love. Now in order to attach the pieces together, I'm just going to use some jute twine, just glue that in the back. I used a Jenga block in the middle just to make sure that the spacing was exact. And like I said, I'm using my hot glue gun, just going to glue it down. So I hope everybody had a really nice Memorial weekend. I know over here it was rainy and cold, and today is about 70 and sunny now, but it was a rotten weekend. But anyways, I hope you all had a nice one. All right, so now I have everything glued to the back. Now I made this, I just took some jute twine and made a tassel and painted some of the beads. I'm gonna place it through the middle. This is optional, you don't have to do this step, but I thought it added some really good character and I thought it was cute. And that's basically it for this project. For this next project, we're going to take a wood round, a small one from Dollar Tree. I use Dollar Tree wood beads, and I use my Cricut as well. And I'm going to start off by painting it with some black chalkboard paint. Just going to give it one coat and then also paint the outside of the wood round. I'm going to place down the vinyl that I created on my Cricut machine. It's going to say Home Sweet Home. Placing down the word sweet. I use that in a different font. Now I'll take those beads and place them through some wire. This wire I believe I got at Dollar Tree. And once I have it to the size of the wood round, then I'm going to tie the two ends together, twist them together, and then hot glue them to the top of the little wood round. Some hot glue. Now I'm just adding a little glue underneath the beads so they stay put. And then I grabbed some greenery from Dollar Tree and I just wanted to place a little bit at the top. So I'm just going to place it at the top. That's it for this project. Super easy and super cute. For this next project, we're going to take some Dollar Tree wood planks. I'm going to use 3, well, actually 4, and I cut one in half to make 2 sides. And these are Dollar Tree Santa Claus. I'm going to use them for the feet. So all I'm going to do now is just glue everything together. Now I'm going to add the 2 corners at the top on each end. And that's basically it, just gluing everything together like a little box. So the box is all glued together. Now I'm going to go ahead and start painting it white. Now I'm going to lay down some tape because I'm going to be making some black stripes. So now I'm going to add some black paint in the back on each side. It's going to be solid black. And then I'm going to paint inside the stripes black, so it's going to be black and white. Now if you don't like this color, you can paint it any color you like, but I like the neutral color, black and white. So now I'm going to remove the tape, and I will have to touch it up a bit here and there, but it's okay. It still looks really cute. Now I'm going to paint those Santa Claus all black except the bottom. I guess it's that Santa hat. It's going to be gold. So I'm going to paint everything black except for the Santa hat. So now I'm taking some metallic gold and painting the hat. So now I'm going to glue the little feet to the bottom of the little box. Just use my hot glue gun to place them down. So now once I place the feet down, I'm going to show you what it looks like. I think it came out really cute. It's adorable. I wanted to add some stickers. So these are from Dollar Tree. Got them a few years ago. So I'm going to add one of the stickers on the back side. Now you can place anything you want inside. I created this little clock, used Dollar Tree little wood round, and painted it and added some Roman numeral numbers to it. And this is from Dollar Tree, just painted it white. Just place it inside and add some greenery and add the clock inside as well. Like I said, you can place anything you want inside, but basically that is it for this project. I think it came out so pretty. Okay, this is the last DIY. This is a tag from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use the back of it. Also, I created a little stencil on my Cricut machine. So one half of the tag is going to be white, and then the other half is like a very light beige. It's like a sandy beige, I think it's called. I'm just going to give it one coat. Now that stencil that I created, it looks like a cow pattern. I'm just going to place it on the white side and I'm going to dab on the sandy beige color. I'm going to use a Dollar Tree little sponge to dab it on. Now I'm going to remove it, and this is what it looks like so far. I do add, I think, one or two more to the tag. So now I'm going to place down the vinyl words that I created on my Cricut. It's going to say Home Sweet Home. So I want to create a bow, and just took some fabric and some burlap. Not burlap, I think I got it from Burlap Fabric. Just created two little bows. This I created two little tassel, added some beads, and I'm going to wrap that around the two bows. So now I'm going to dovetail the ends because the one is a little bit too long. Cut them down a little bit. A bunch in the corner. So I'm kind of like layering them because I thought I needed more towards the right. I know I'm adding it to the left, but I wanted to add more in the middle so it balances out the bow once I place it down. So now I'm going to take those bows and place it right in the middle of the greenery and glue it down. And look how cool this came out. I think it's so cute. I love the way it turned out. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider subscribing. Take care, everyone. I'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.